Hey, so if the Brave VPN isn't connecting, keeps disconnecting, or slows your browsing down completely, yeah, that can be pretty frustrating. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Brave browser VPN connectivity issues step by step. All right, first, make sure your regular internet connection is working before turning on the VPN. Now close Brave completely and reopen it. Yeah, temporary VPN connection glitches can happen sometimes. Open the Brave VPN settings, turn the VPN off for a few seconds, then reconnect it. If the current server isn't responding, switch to another region or nearby location. Make sure Brave is updated to the latest version. Older versions can cause VPN connection bugs. Some privacy or proxy extensions can interfere with the Brave VPN, so disable them temporarily. Your firewall or antivirus might block VPN traffic, so check if Brave VPN is allowed through security settings. Now try signing out of your Brave account and signing back in to refresh your VPN subscription status. If the issue still continues, reinstall Brave or reset the VPN feature completely. And yeah, that's it. Once these fixes are applied, Brave VPN should connect properly and work smoothly again.